So it's officially been 1 year since I have my lovely portable washer and dryer. And let me tell you, there are a few things that I wish I knew a little bit sooner. I have been seeing a lot of questions regarding was it worth it? Would I buy it again? Let's talk about it. So if you guys are new here, I have been using the Panda portable dryer as well as the Comfee compact portable top load washer in the color gray. Now, if I could go back into the past and tell myself a couple of tips that would help me get through the process, I would do a few things differently.
Here's the good news. The washer is still perfect. No major leaks, no breakdowns, no weird smells. As long as the hose is tightly connected to both the faucet and washer, it's smooth sailing. And don't forget to clean the lint trap in the washer from time to time. It keeps things running smooth and your clothes fresh. And cold water still handles stains like a champ. And here's a pro tip. I use tape to hold down the drain hose in place so it doesn't slip out and flood the floor. That's a lesson I learned real quick. And if you want to be extra cautious, you can always throw down a towel that is going to line the washer. It's better to be safe than sorry and have it soak up in the towel as opposed to all over your floor.
Number one, I would not overload my machine. That goes for the dryer as well as the washer. Number two, group your items together. That means towels with towels, bed sheets with bed sheets. And the reason for that is because when you overpack or mix too many things together, it actually makes it more difficult for the washer to do its job.
Also, I switched from pods to liquid detergent using about level 1 or 2, and my clothes came out cleaner with no leftover soap.
Now the dryer has been pretty solid as well, but let's keep it real, it does take a while for those clothes to dry. I did notice a little opening in the back of the machine where the hose actually attaches to the dryer. So my little fix for that is to kind of just wedge it onto my stove just to like seal it a bit and keep all that air going directly into the dryer.
To cut down on drying time, I hang towels instead of machine drying them. And here's a hack. Throwing a small dry towel into the dryer helps speed things up. And I always clean the lint trap after every dry. I also keep a pack of dryer exhaust filters on hand. I get 20 for about $15 on Amazon and they last a while.
A lot of you have asked, does it leak? Nope. Does it tear up your clothes? Not at all. Would I still recommend it? Absolutely, especially if you are sick and tired of lugging clothes to the laundromat or if you live in a small apartment. So with that being said, after 1 year, overall, I am still team portable washer and dryer. It takes a little patience and TLC, but honestly, when you put that in comparison with the savings as well as with the freedom of doing laundry whenever you want, it's definitely worth it. Just be gentle with it, stay consistent with your laundry, and you will be just fine. If you guys have any more questions about living that portable washer and dryer life, please leave it down below in the comments. I'll be sure to answer everything. And of course, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you guys like more honest updates like this. Bye guys.